Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Tutor Box, and today's class we are going to discuss about bacterial cell cytoplasmic inclusion. Okay, in earlier classes we discussed various aspects of bacterial cells. Now is time to turn off cytoplasmic inclusion. Okay, तो यहाँ पर देखिए कौन कौन से इंक्लूजन्स आपको मिल जाएंगे, जैसे कि वॉल्यूटिन ग्लोब्यूल्स मिलते हैं, सल्फर ग्लोब्यूल्स, गैस वैक्यूल्स, parasporal crystals and magnetosomes and carboxysomes, as well as phycobilisomes, chlorosomes, polybeta hydroxybutyric acid granules and glycogen granules. Okay, so there are so many granules which we find into the bacterial cytoplasmic inclusion. So one by one we will discuss important aspect of these category. Okay, so we are discussing in which bacterial species we found them and what is the function of these. Okay, so one by one we will discuss each and every one. So the first one is volutin globules. Okay, so the thing is that we found it in Corynebacterium species. Okay, and what is the function? So they are basically high energy phosphate source. So they are basically high energy phosphate source. Okay, so this is an important point. Then second one is sulfur globules. Second one is sulfur globules. So in which type of species we found them? So the first one is phototrophic purple and green sulfur bacteria. Phototrophic purple and green sulfur bacteria. And then second one is lithotropic colorless sulfur bacteria. Okay, and what is the function of these sulfur globule? So the function of sulfur globule is what? Reserve of electrons. Okay, so they are working as a electrons reserve. Okay, in which type of bacteria they working as a electron reserve? In phototrophs. Okay, then as well as what is the other function? They are the reserve of energy source, as well as they are also a energy source, reserve energy source. But for what kind of bacteria? So the bacteria are lithotrophs. Okay, so this is about the sulfur globules. Now moving on the gas vacuoles. Okay, so gas vacuoles. So in which type of bacteria we found these gas vacuoles? So cyanobacteria is the example. Cyanobacteria and many other bacteria are in which we also found these gas vacuoles. Now what is the function? So as we know, gas, if any bacteria having gas vacuole, then there is a possibility of flotation. So basically a flotation is the function of gas vacuoles. Okay, now moving on, parasporal crystals. Okay, so in which type of species we found? So endospore forming bacteria. In endospore forming bacteria we found. Then the function is unknown, but they are toxic to certain insect. Okay, so they are what? Toxic. Remember this, parasporal crystals are toxic for insect. Now moving on, magnetosomes. Okay, so magnetosome, in which type of bacteria we found? So aquatic bacteria and like cyanobacteria, in them we found the magnetosomes. Okay, and what is the function? So as the name suggests, magneto means magnet. So orienting and migrating along the geomagnetic field. Okay, so geomagnetic field जो होगा उसकी तरफ ये मूव करेंगे, उसका ओरिएंटेशन, बैक्टीरिया का मूवमेंट और ओरिएंटेशन उसी डायरेक्शन में कराएंगे जिस डायरेक्शन में जियोमैग्नेटिक फील्ड होगा. ओके, so this is about the magnetosomes. Now moving on the another cytoplasmic inclusion, that this is what? Carboxysome. Okay, so name also suggests their functions. Okay, so in carboxysome, on which type of bacteria we found? So many autotrophic bacteria in which we found carboxysome. And what is the function of these? So they are the site of CO2 fixation. They are the what? Site of CO2 fixation. Okay, so already name suggests that carboxysome. Okay, so carboxysome name suggesting it the function of this type of cytoplasmic inclusions. Now moving on the other cytoplasmic inclusion. So another important cytoplasmic inclusion is phycobilisome. So phycobilisome we found in bacterial species cyanobacteria. Okay, so what is the function of this? They are light harvesting pigment. Okay, they are what? Light harvesting pigment. Then the next one is chlorosomes. And in which type of bacteria we found? So we found them in green bacteria. We found them in green bacteria. Okay. And again the function is same, light harvesting pigment. It is a chlorosomes are what? Light harvesting pigment. Clear? Then poly beta hydroxy butyric acid. Okay, such kind of some kind of granules we found. In those granules we found poly beta hydroxy butyric acid. Okay, so which type of bacteria contain them? So Pseudomonas is the one of the species. Okay, remember them, this is important one. And what is the function of this? So it is the reserve carbon and energy source. It is what? Reserve carbon and energy source. Then the last one is glycogen granules. Okay, so glycogen granules in which type of bacteria we found? So E. coli is the example. E. coli is the example. Okay, and this is what is the function of it? It is a reserve carbon and energy source. It is what? Reserve carbon and energy source. Okay, so hopefully whatever the things I given about the cytoplasmic inclusion you are able to understand. And what happened in the examination? Sometime in examination, university examination, examiner asks question, write a short note on bacterial cytoplasmic inclusions. Okay, so this is one point. And sometime examiner asks volutin granules or volutin globules are found in bacteria, fungi, so virus, such kind of example. As well as on magnetosomes, examiner asks question, carboxysome, examiner asks question. And what is the function of gas vesicles? So 4 options can be given for gas vesicle. And phycobilisomes, this is a different kind of name, phycobilisomes. Okay, so this is also important. So I discuss some question here, give the answer of these question in comment box.
Hello everyone, discussing the question number 1. Bacterial cell volutin globules is A. found in Corynebacterium, B. it is a reserve of phosphate sources, C. both are correct, and D. none are correct. Question number 2. True about bacterial cell gas vesicle. A. found in Cyanobacterium, B. it having a work for flotation, C. both are correct, and D. none are correct. Question number 3. True about bacterial cell magnetosomes. A. it found in aquatic bacteria, B. it having a function of orienting and migrating along with geomagnetic field, C. both are correct, and D. none are correct. Question number 4. True about bacterial cell phycobilisomes. A. found in cyanobacteria, B. it has a function of light harvesting pigment, C. both are correct, and D. none are correct. Question number 5. True about bacterial cell sulfur globules. A. found in phototrophic purple and green sulfur bacteria, B. it is a reserve of energy source for lithotrophs, C. both are correct, and D. none are correct. So I already discussed answer of all of these questions in the lecture. If you have any doubt, then go through with the lecture again and answer in comment box.
And like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel.